Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sliding miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DOVAMAN 12-inch dual-bevel miter saw. The DOVAMAN 12-inch miter saw stands out as an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need versatile cutting capabilities. You'll appreciate its robust 15-amp motor that delivers 3,800 RPM and impressive 4.2x 13-inch cutting capacity. The saw's precision features include a laser guide system, 9 preset angle stops, and a sliding rail mechanism that guarantees accurate cuts every time. You can make both horizontal and vertical 45-degree cuts with ease, while the transparent blade guard helps you maintain clear visibility. The safety lock and integrated switch provide essential protection, and you'll find everything you need in the box, including a pre-installed 40T blade and dust collection system. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita LS1219L12 dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser. Anyone seeking professional-grade precision will find the Makita LS1219L's innovative 2-steel rail sliding system a game-changer for workspace efficiency. You'll appreciate its ability to operate flush against walls while delivering impressive cutting capacities: 8 crown molding, 6/3/4 baseboard, and 15 crosscuts at 90 degrees. The 15-amp direct drive motor with soft start delivers 3,200 RPM without belt issues, while electronic speed control maintains consistent power under load. You'll gain from dual dust collection ports, a transparent blade guard, and an adjustable laser guide. Though weighing 81.59 pounds, its aluminum base guarantees stability for your precise cuts. At number 3, we have the Evolution R185SMS Plus sliding miter saw. Professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking versatility will find 3 standout features in the Evolution R185SMS Plus sliding miter saw. First, its patented multi-material cutting technology lets you slice through steel, aluminum, wood with nails, and plastic with minimal sparks. Second, the 1500W optimized gearbox delivers exceptional power and longevity. Third, the precise laser guide enhances accuracy across all cuts. With bevel settings up to 45 degrees and miter angles reaching 50 degrees, you'll handle complex projects easily. While the dust collection system isn't perfect, users consistently praise the saw's clean cuts and robust build quality, making it an excellent value for both professionals and hobbyists. At number 2, we have the Delta 10N compound sliding miter saw. Hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts will find Delta's 10-inch compound sliding miter saw an attractive mid-range option that balances performance with portability. At just 30 pounds, you'll easily transport it between job sites while still enjoying powerful 15-amp performance and 5,500 RPM cutting speed. You'll appreciate its ability to make clean, precise cuts, especially when working with 2 multiplied by 12 lumber at full bevel angles up to 45 degrees. While the laser guide works better indoors and the dust collection could be improved, you're getting solid value with features like a spindle lock and thorough safety measures. The saw's 4.2 star rating from 550 users confirms its reliability for home projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dual Double Bevel sliding miter saw. The Dual DWS 780 stands out as a powerhouse among sliding miter saws with its robust 15-amp motor and impressive cutting capabilities. You'll appreciate its XPS crosscut positioning system that delivers precise, adjustment-free cut lines, while the efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of debris. What sets this saw apart is its versatility. You can make bevel cuts up to 49 degrees in both directions and miter cuts up to 60 degrees right and 50 degrees left. The saw handle's vertical cuts up to 6'3/4 inches and nested crown molding up to 7'1/2 inches. While it's heavy at 54.6 pounds, its durability and accuracy make it worth the investment. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.